Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Is your phone connected to Wi-Fi but it says no internet? Then don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix it on any Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step is to try connecting another device to the same Wi-Fi. If it also says no internet, the problem is likely your router or ISP. If other devices work fine, the issue is your phone. Swipe down to access quick settings. Turn Wi-Fi off, wait 5 seconds and turn it on again. Sometimes a quick reset solves the issue. Second step, go to settings, then tap on connections, go to Wi-Fi. Now tap the gear icon just beside your Wi-Fi and tap forgot. Then reconnect by selecting the same Wi-Fi and entering the password again. Also try changing DNS settings. For that, tap view more. You will find this option called IP settings. Tap on it and change it from DHCP to static. And use this address for DNS1 and DNS2 and then tap save. Also try restarting your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router, wait 10 seconds and plug it back in. Wait 1 to 2 minutes and reconnect your phone. If nothing works, go to settings, scroll down and tap on this option called general management. Scroll down and find this option called reset. Again scroll down and tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. This resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and VPN without deleting your data. Finally, go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap Software Update and then go to Download and Install. Sometimes a system update can fix Wi-Fi bugs, and that's how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Android. If this video helped, tap like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.